In this video, we'll discuss about coenzyme and other classification. What is coenzyme? How to define that coenzyme? Coenzyme is also known as co-substrate and secondary substrate. These one are small non-protein molecules and metal ions directly participate in substrate binding and catalysis. So this one is a small non-protein molecules and metal ions. This one directly involved in substrate binding and catalytic reactions. So here example lactate is converted into pyruvate with the help of enzyme lactase dehydrogenase. So here NAD, this one is the coenzyme. So here NAD coenzyme also takes place in this reaction. So this one is the non-protein organic low molecular weight dialysable molecule associated with the enzyme action. So easily separatable. Dialysable means separatable. Classification based this one classified based on the three category. One is based on the precursor, then group transfer and metal ion. Based on the precursor, they classified B complex and non-B complex. So B complex means vitamin B1 to B12, 8 vitamins. So first one is vitamin B1. This one name is called thiamine. Coenzyme form thiamine pyrophosphate involved in transfer of aldehyde and keto group. Example of enzyme trans ketolase enzyme involved in HMP. Next one is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 riboflavin coenzyme form FMN and FAD, flavin mononucleotide and flavin adenine dinucleotide. It involved in oxidation as well as reduction reaction and transfer of hydrogen ion. Third one is vitamin B3 niacin, NAD plus and NADP plus. These one all the coenzyme form. Example lactate dehydrogenase, alcohol dehydrogenase and pyruvate dehydrogenase. Then vitamin B5 pantothenic acid coenzyme A is the coenzyme form. It involved in transfer of acyl group. Then vitamin B6 pyridoxine. Pyridoxyl phosphate is the coenzyme form involved in transamination reaction. Example SGOT and SGPT. Then vitamin B7 biotin biocysteine is the coenzyme form. It involved in carboxylation reaction. This one required ATP, ATP, biotin and carbon dioxide. Then vitamin B9 folate tetrahydrofolate is the coenzyme form. Transfer of one carbon atom in various reactions. Next, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, adenosyl B12 and methyl B12. These are the two coenzyme form. This one involved in isolation reaction. Example, methyl malonyl coenzyme mutase. This one methionine synthetase is the enzyme. Then non-B complex CTP, cysteine diphosphate. This one transfer of choline and ethanolamine. Then ATP responsible for transfer of phosphate AMP and adenosine. Then 3 phosphoadenosine 3' phosphosulfate. This one involved in synthesis of mucopolysaccharide. Then uridine diphosphate transport of glucose and galactose important in glycogen synthesis. Then S-adenosyl methionine important in transmethylation reaction. Next one is group transfer, oxidation, reduction reaction and hydrogen transfer. So here transfer a hydrogen group. So in this one, this FMN, FAD, NAD plus and NADP plus and one more thing coenzyme Q. So three things involved in hydrogen transfer, FMN and FAD, NAD plus NADP plus coenzyme Q. Three things are involved in group transfer. Last one is metal ion. Some metal ion act as a coenzyme cofactor. Example zinc. It containing more than 300 enzyme containing zinc metalloenzyme. Example alcohol dehydrogenase, RNA polymerase and carboxypeptidase. Then copper cytochrome oxidase and tyrosinase, then selenium glutathione peroxidase, then molybdenum xanthine oxidase. So these are the enzyme involved in act as a metal ions. Okay, so here zinc, copper, selenium, molybdenum act as a cofactors. So in this video, what is coenzyme and other classification discussed. So classification based on the precursor, based on the group transfer, based on the metal ions, vitamin B complex, B8, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9, and vitamin B12. Then a non-B complex, 5 things. Then group transfer, 3 component. Last one is metal ion discussed. Thanks for watching.